we got our hands on the vSeeBox Elite Ultra. This was a sponsored box by the manufacturer. We're going to get a deep dive into this and see how this can save you tons of money on your TV viewing experiences. So let's get into the video. This is the boot sequence on the vSeeBox Elite Ultra. This is what's going to be appearing every time you boot up this unit. And for those that are interested, be sure to check out the links in the video description below if this is something you're interested in. It has a ton of content in this unit. We're just going to go through the random setup here. We did have to record in 1080p because there were some limitations with my personal hardware. You can connect with either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. We use Wi-Fi for every one of our reviews and we have no problems with it. So keep that in mind. So we're going to go ahead and you're going to see you put in your information. We're going to go ahead and skip through all of that information. And once you get all of your credentials put in to connect to your wireless network, you will be connected to the internet. Now on this unit, of course, it's going to give you the disclaimer that you're responsible for however you use the unit. So use it at your own discretion. There was a system update on this unit and we decided to go ahead and download that. And so as that's downloading, I want to go ahead and go through and show you what all this unit has on the main screen. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to be very limited. You're going to have to follow us over on Rumble. I'll have a link also in the lower description if you want to see everything this unit has to offer. We're going to just scroll through the market here and look at all the programs, all the applications that come extra. This is a fully loaded unit here. This one here has a ton of actual features. I know a lot of people love the super boxes. The vSeeBoxes have to be my favorite units out of every media box that I have ever tested. I've been so happy with the vSeeBox, and it's kind of hard to beat. But you can see it has all your heat apps. It has tons and tons of extra blockbust. You got just so many, man. You've got so many. You've got Ultra 24/7 liquid. You've got everything that one could ever want right here in this one unit. And of course, you have the hardware that can push it and have no problems with buffering, with storage. This thing is just fully loaded. But if you're watching this over on YouTube, be sure to check us out over on Rumble for the full 100% video breakdown. And the reason we can't do this over on YouTube is because it violates code of conduct and their actual rules. So we found a place over on Rumble, so that's where we're actually giving every single app a total 100% breakdown. So be sure to check that link out down below. If this is something you know you absolutely already have to have, I will have a link for it below as well, so you can check it out directly from the manufacturer. And if you're going to place an order, be sure to use the code MAD10. MAD10 is going to save you 10% off. It's also going to give you 2 to 3 day shipping to your door. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys over on Rumble.